In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an AWS instance. Let's dive right into it and make this as simple as possible. First up, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. In the search bar, type in AWS and hit Enter. This step is crucial as it directs you to the primary AWS portal where all our activities will take place. Once you're on the official AWS page, the next thing you need to do is sign in to your AWS account. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. Don't worry if this is your first time. Just follow the prompts for username and password and you'll be in shortly. Make sure to keep your login details secure, as AWS is a powerful platform with many resources at your disposal. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the AWS Management Console. This is the central hub where you manage all of your AWS services. From here, look for the EC2 option. This is the service that handles the virtual servers, also known as instances. You might find it quickly by typing EC2 into the search bar at the top of the page. Once you access the EC2 console, you'll see a list of instances linked to your account. These are all the virtual servers you've set up. Browse through and locate the instance you wish to delete. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct one to avoid any unintended deletions. Take your time to double-check, maybe even cross-reference with your notes or system requirements before proceeding. Now that you've identified the right instance, go ahead and right-click on it to see a list of actions you can perform. From the drop-down menu, look for and select the Terminate option. Terminating an instance is an irreversible action, so proceed only if you're absolutely sure. Once confirmed, this action will permanently delete the instance from your account. Terminating an instance stops all charges associated with it, except for any attached elastic IPs. Be aware that if you plan to use this instance later, you will need to reconfigure it from scratch. As a final tip, it's always good practice to back up any critical data or configurations before terminating an instance, just in case you need them in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to deleting an AWS instance. I hope this was helpful, and I encourage you to check back for more tutorials on how to maximize your AWS experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you in our next session.